Hi there, today we're going to be harvesting some catkins off the hazelnut tree. I love these catkins. They're one of the first signs of spring, along with the snowdrops. They're also one of the first forage foods that we can harvest from the garden or the countryside. Catkins are actually the male flowers, or they're like little strings of male flowers, and they contain the pollen. Pollen is really high in protein, so they actually have a nutritional value. Might look a bit weird, but they're fun to make into chocolate catkins, which we're going to do. So I'm just going to see the pollen blow off that. These are in quite nice condition. Some of them are not quite open yet, like that one. That's a bit too small. But you need to pick them before they go brown and all the pollen's gone. That should be enough. Oh, I think I can see one of the female flowers over here. This is a female flower bud actually, it hasn't opened yet. When it opens they're like miniature sea anemones, and they have little red tentacles sticking out, and they're all sticky, and they capture the pollen as it blows on the wind. So these are wind pollinated trees. Unfortunately, that's not very good if you suffer from hay fever, because it's the wind pollinated trees that can be a problem. I've melted some chocolate over a pan of hot water. I mean, I'm sure you could use milk chocolate, white chocolate, dark chocolate, whatever you prefer. All we had in the cupboard was some praline chocolate Easter eggs, so we've used them. We'll see what happens. I'm just using a pair of tweezers because I kind of want them to come out nice and straight.
Delicious.
Yeah, they do. I'm not sure how appetizing they look, but we will find out. Make sure they're properly coated in chocolate. So hazel trees they produce edible nuts. It's fair to say that you probably shouldn't just do this with any old catkins. Some trees could be poisonous, so make sure you identify your tree properly in the first place. Okay, well, we'll leave these to set and then we can try them.
Bring them up to the camera.
Okay, well, they look like chocolate worms, but we'll see what they taste like. I'll put them in the fridge to cool. So,
well, it's a day later.
They look like chocolate worms.
Yeah.
Or matchmakers.
Yeah, matchmakers gone
We could
wrong.
start a new flavour of matchmakers. Right,
yeah, we're plucking up courage, aren't we?
You go first.
I'm having that very slim one.
Okay.
Smells
It's not
of
going to
chocolate.
smell of anything. Right, go for it. They're actually quite nice, aren't they? You can taste that kind of nuttiness.
With that, yeah, but that'd be the.
No, but inside, I thought they would taste of chocolate coated grass or something.
They've got a nice texture inside, haven't they? Who's having last one?
You can.
They're nice.
Yes, we'll definitely make more of them next time. Yeah, go for it.
I mean, kind of. Oh yeah, I'll do that again. Just for the hell of it.
No, they're good because a lot of forage foods are savoury, and that's quite a good way of making a.
I don't suppose you could tempura it, then they would just disintegrate, wouldn't they?
I don't know, but let's try that next.
Yeah, that's picked on a dry day.
Okay.
Because that's the thing, you would have to pick them when on a dry day. They don't be wet through,
No.
do they?
No.
But no, that was good. I mean, whether you continue to support your diet of chocolate with Catkins, Hazel Catkins, I'm not sure. But it was fun. I could have had a bag of them though.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah,
So,
chocolate twiglets.
chocolate twiglets.